Hello members of the Stamping Up community. Tonight I want to talk to you about organization. My name's Diane Roberts and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I found that many stampers also enjoy organizing all the little pieces of their collections. Something I want to talk about tonight is organizing framelits. Stampin' Up has dies that are called framelits that come in a package like this that are used on the Big Shot. And what is enclosed in the package are a number of dies. This particular set is called the Backyard Basics. And what I'm going to do tonight is show you how I organize my framelits. Because what happens is, as you begin stamping, these sets of dies, as you can see, come with double stick tape stuck onto a piece of cardboard. This particular set of framelits coordinates with the Backyard Basics stamp set. As you can see, you have floral images, a bird, a butterfly, another floral, a bumblebee, and an egg. So what we end up doing is taking them off this double stick tape, but it's kind of awkward to keep them on this tape all the time. Difficult to take off. So what I do is I store my framelits on little pieces of magnet strips. And I found the neatest thing. I used to buy strips of magnetic strips at the local Michael's or Joann's stores, and you get a small strip for approximately 10 bucks. But what I have found is that if you take a trip to the Home Depot, especially during the winter, no, I know they have this all year. Here you can see Frost King, the same company that makes all the plastic and the tape that you can put around your windows to keep the cold air out, has a product called magnetic vent covers, and they're magnetic strips that are used to cover up your vents in the wintertime to keep the house warm. Well, these particular strips are 8 inches wide by 15 inches long, and this package cost $4.47 at my local Home Depot. I picked it up after work today. So what I've done is, here's with the magnet. It's a magnetic strip. You can see how long it is. And what I like to do is just put it on a piece of magnetic strip that is 4.5 inches by 6 inches, so it'll fit right back on top of the original packaging that the framelits come in. So ahead of time here, I've measured off 4.5 inches by 6 inches so that I could cut it here on the video to show you how easy it is to cut. Very, very simple to cut, very easily cut. And you can use this leftover 2-inch strip on this piece, maybe for a refrigerator magnet or whatever. Sometimes just for smaller strips. So there I have my 4.5 by 6 inch strip, magnetic strip. I flip it over, and then I can put my pieces. You can see they just stick so well. I can put them upright so you can understand which piece they are. Hopefully I get them all back on. I just need room for the butterfly. Oh, maybe I won't get them all back on in that particular fashion. So let's try the butterfly down here and stick this bird here. Well, you get the idea. They stick very well, as you can see. You can even put one on top of the other. Actually, maybe I should just stick the... No. I know they fit before. Well, it's fun to play with our images, isn't it? Okay, so that's a little better. You stick them all onto this particular piece of magnetic strip, and if you'll notice, I always have to count up how many pieces I have to put back in the envelope. Down here, if you can see, tells you the quantity is 6, but it's very small for my old eyes. So what I like to do when I put it back in, I usually put this piece on this side so I can read how many pieces I have to look for when I'm cleaning up after a project. But now what I do is I just slip them back into this plastic envelope that they come in, which fits very nicely. You can see your images as you're thumbing through all of them. It says Framelits Backyard Basics with the order number, but that's kind of hard for me to read with my old eyes again. So what I've done is with my label maker, I've printed out this Backyard Basics, the title of the framelits, and I also, as you can see, Backyard Basics. And what I do is I put the number of pieces that are contained in the set, so that as I'm counting up, I know how many pieces to look for that I've probably left all over my table. It's a little crooked. Straighten it out a bit. Even though it's already on there, I store these in a drawer, and it's very dark in my drawer. So if I put this title on a white background, it's very easy for me to pick it out of the drawer. Backyard Basics, and I need 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know they're in there. So just a little tip tonight on storage and how I store my framelits. You might want to give it a try. For less than $5, you can store a lot of framelits on these magnetic strips. Again, the name of it is Frost King, and they're vent covers. Thank you, and happy stamping!